AGIX USDT Overview. Trading Style, Spot. Time Frame, Mid-Term. Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Time Frame, about a month between targets, TPs. Entry Levels, 0.78007 to 0.89050. Take Profit Targets. Target 1, 1.15051. Target 2, 1.25309. Target 3, 1.33573. Target 4, 1.45826. Stop Loss Level, 0.46886. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. Trade entry. Look for entry after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. We wish you successful trading.